Hey guys, it's Frank and Kevin from Cruising with Wheels.
What the heck are we doing here again on Tuesday?
Oh, stick around and find out. Well, today, Tuesday, July 16th, is a momentous occasion.
It is.
Do you know what happened at 11:28 a.m.?
What happened?
We broke 10,000 subscribers! Woo! Yep, that's right. We broke 10,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel.
And in celebration of 10,000 subscribers, we are going to do a giveaway.
Yes, a swag bag, big old swag bag giveaway.
Yes. So we are still compiling what we are going to do as a giveaway.
Yep.
But we want to give even those brand new subscribers to us a chance in that giveaway. And so we are not going to be pulling a name or announcing a name until our next live stream.
That's right. Next live stream, I believe, will be Sunday, August 4th, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
That's right.
Join us live when we announce the winner of the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Ah!
You sound like the guy. I don't know if everybody remembers, but up in the, where are we? Northeast? Up in the Northeast,
yeah.
There used to be this guy called Crazy Eddie.
Oh, Crazy Eddie doing his commercials.
Crazy Eddie, where it's insane! Oh, guys. But we are so excited to have our 10,000th subscriber. And I know when we came down here to film, we've gained even more. So welcome to all of our new subscribers.
And we want to thank every one of you.
Yes.
You know, we didn't think that when we started this channel back in, 2017.
We thought we would be lucky to get 100
I
subscribers.
know. You should have seen us when we were starting. And we were like, wow, we got 10 subscribers this week. Oh my goodness, And I've been monitoring every week since we started, and I've watched every Sunday when Kevin would give me the statistics on our channel and all the rest of our social media platforms, and I could see us every week continuing to grow, and to all the people that we've met via our YouTube channel that we talk to, and we answer questions and comments. The people that we've met on our cruises as we've been boarding the ship or we're on an island somewhere screaming, "It's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels, oh my God!" And we're like, hi, wow. We
also want to thank all the other YouTube channels that have, helped us grow and have given us the opportunity to learn from them and have learned from us. Yeah. It's been really nice to build those friendships.
Yes, those creative partners from the other YouTube channels that we absolutely love. All of you.
All of you. We're not going to name names because there's too many of you to name.
Just say you have
we just want to say
all our love.
We love you. And speaking of other social medias, I just wanted to bring it up.
Okay.
Because I was noticing some counts now, okay?
Oh, it's all about statistics.
I'm noticing 10,000 subscribers here on YouTube, but I don't know if they all realize.
What?
I mean, we say it enough, that we're on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, as well as Snapchat. And so currently we have 1,350 on Instagram. Where are the rest of the 9,000 people or 8,000 people? But maybe not everybody uses Instagram, and I don't think anybody uses Twitter because we only have 434.
Good
but
Lord. Come on, 10,000 of you people.
You guys got Twitter out there. And on Facebook we have 2,709 currently.
Mm-hmm.
I think everybody has a Facebook account out there.
Well,
I don't know.
I know that a couple of people don't. And I know that actually almost every day we get people who have just joined Facebook because I get requested on my Facebook cruise chat group. and it tells me the actual date that they joined Facebook, and it's like, oh, and you want to join my group? Awesome.
So let's get to little meat and potatoes that everybody's wondering about, and that's about the drawing, right? About the prize drawing.
Okay.
So we promised you, and when we reached 10,000 subscribers, that we were going to do a massive drawing. And how you earn entries is you make sure that you're subscribed to our channel, right?
Yep.
So if you're seeing this, you probably are. The next way you can earn a entry is if you are following us or liking our page on Facebook. You can get a third entry by following us on Instagram, a fourth entry by following us on Twitter, a fifth entry if you are following us on Snapchat, and a bonus sixth entry if you join Frank's Cruise Chat.
Oh my God, we're adding a sixth one for Cruise Chat. This is the first time we've done that.
Now that's the first time we've done that.
Yes, now I think we have almost 1,000.
And I'm not done yet.
20 members of my Cruise Chat Facebook group, so that's awesome. So Cruise Chat people, Cruise Chat people, if you're not subscribers,
if you're not followers, if you're not part of our cruising community,
please be following us.
No, it's join us, yes, because it is a cruise community. All of you in Cruise Chat make the community what it is. So it's our little cruising family. But I want to put out there's a seventh way they can earn an entry.
A seven? Oh, would that be like lucky 7 ways?
Lucky 7 ways. So the seventh way, actually there's 8 ways.
Oh my God.
The seventh entry can be earned by liking this video.
Oh, cool.
And the 8th way you can earn an entry.
This is just getting too much for me.
Is by sharing this video.
Oh, wow, yes.
So you want to increase your odds, do all those things, and you'll get an extra chance.
Can you imagine Sunday, August 4th, your name is drawn as a winner? Yes, you're a winner. And it's not the Publishing Clearinghouse.
You sound like Oprah.
Oprah, you're a winner, you're a winner, you're a winner, we're all winners.
So, I'm not going to make any promises, right?
Okay.
But you said you're a winner, you're a winner, you're a winner. We're going to reach out and try to get some of our cruise lines to help us out and get some prizes for other people.
Oh,
so maybe we can do multiple drawings that day.
Ooh, jeepers,
wouldn't that be exciting if we could do that? So we are promising that one person is going to be a big winner, and we'll see if I can't find some.
Wow, it's all going down. It's all happening.
Little treats, yeah. But until next time, we want everybody to always
travel safe
and cruise often.